Good morning, everyone. I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about absolute code, relocatable code, and assembler code under the subject Automata Theory and Compiler Design. Now let us imagine a small thought experiment. You are moving your house into a new city. If you move a house from one location to another, what changes? Address or walls or furnitures or rooms? They are rooms, furniture, and walls or remain the same, but only the address will change. Now, how is this similar to moving code in memory? We now think that the computer program, if we move it from one memory to another memory, it still work the same way. That's exactly what we explore today. Absolute code, relocatable code, and assembler code. The objective of this session, we know the differentiate between all these codes and also apply the examples to understand how the instructions are mapped into the memory. Then going to empathize stage, a programmer, early programmer wrote the uh, problems or game in her own computer. It worked well, it perfectly on one computer, but when they try to another computer, it crashes. Because why? Because their programs were written into a fixed memory addresses. They were absolute codes. So the main problem was lack of portability and also maintaining efficiency. And the such code couldn't relocated or reused. It's the main problem here. So, going to this content delivery, and the absolute codes are fixed memory addresses, and the programmer or assembler decides the exact location for every instruction and data. For example, move AX, 001. Relocatable code. They are the codes located anywhere in a memory using symbolic addresses or offsets rather than fixed ones. The loader of operating system adjusts the addresses during the execution. Example, start move AX, 001 or add AX, 002. Then assembler code, it's a symbolic languages, that means a human readable form. The assembler translate either absolute or relocatable. Example, move AX, 001. In these programs, we ideate the codes for absolute code, good for small simple purpose systems, and then relocatable code, good for multi-programming environments. Assembler code, it's bridges between human programmers and machine execution. Then prototype, absolute code or fixed addresses 2000, relocatable code base plus offset, and an assembler code load r1 comma variable. Then going for the one activity, now as it in role play, group A act as a assembler, and they wrote the code in symbolic notations, and then group B, it converts into absolute code. Group C, it converts into relocatable code. Take the code as add r1 comma variable, and show how act appears in three forms. And then another one is the applications. The absolute code are used in embedded systems and ROM programs. Then relocatable code, operating systems and shared libraries. And then assembler code used for system programmings. Then summary. Then absolute code is the fixed code and rigid code, and the relocatable code is flexible and adaptable code, and assembler code it's a bridge between machine and humans. And then reflection this, um, we need flexible in a mobile world we live in, so we need the modern programs need flexible memory, handle for reusability and portability. So you think that which code type is most important for modern software development and why? Thank you.